Here class you can see the different types of electrical symbols. Electrical symbol of electrical component or equipment. Different type of equipment are, we can see the component through which can be denoted or symbolized by these marking. You know, this one is switch. You can see this is just switch, but it is in a two modes. First one it is in a open mode and second one is it is in a closed mode. So how can be they symbolized? They can be symbol like this. This portion is open, so it is called as a open, that is off mean, and this one is closed, that means on. When it closed, then the electric supply is carry on. When it is open, that is incomplete circuit, then it means it is an off medium or a open medium. Next one is a bulb. This is the bulb, and bulb can be represented as it is symbolized as a this one. This is a mean of a bulb. Next one it is a cell. Cell can be represented as, you can see this is like that. The symbol are given here and component or equipments are given here. So it can be represented like this form. Now we'll have to move on to the next side. This one is called as a voltmeter, and voltmeter is symbolized as a V. As a its symbol is like this. Ammeter, this is called as a ammeter. So ammeter is represented as a A. And next one is resistor. Resistor are represented in this form. Last one, here we have to see the battery. Battery can be represented as here in this form. You can see this is the battery, but its symbols are given as here. This is the symbol of the battery, in which the one bar is a shorter and second bar is a longer. Now we have to move on to the next one, that is circuit diagram. What do you mean by the circuit diagram? Circuit is what? Circuit is a closed path. Circuit is a closed path in which the electric current supplies. Suppose the circuit acquire or contain what? The wires. These are electric wire, in which might be a battery, and through which electrical switch are connected, and in such a portion somewhere else, suppose here a bulb are connected. If here is bulb connected, then it is said to be a circuit diagram. So it is what? It is the closed pathway. It is closed pathway through which the electric current supply, in which electric current supplies. How it can be resembled? As you know that by symbolically you can represent as it is a bulb, so this can be represented in that form, like this. It is what? It is a bulb. So when a bulb and a source of electric as a battery and a key, that is a switch, are arranged in such a way they can close the pathway. That is, this way of electric charges, it is called as the closed pathway. Closed pathway through which the electric supplies is carried. So this one is called as a circuit, and this can be diagrammatically represented. So this one is known as circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram through which the electric current supply. How these electrical supplies these electric current are supplied. This can be supplied through this way. Like this. So the electric current supplied over the circuit are you can say the circuit in a closed circuit. So this way the electrical supply may take place. Now next one is battery. What we can say the battery? The battery is, what is the battery? Battery is actually what? We know that there is a symbol of cell. Here is a cell. When more than two cells are connected to each other, then it is said to be, it is a battery. Two or more than two cells get connected. Two or more than two cells are connected, then it is said to be, this is battery. So this one is called as a battery. Suppose if there is another form of, if another cell is here, nothing else, this is also called as a battery. Two or more than two cells, when they are connected to each other, then it is termed as a battery. But if it is alone, or if it is single, so what it is called as? It is called as a cell. It is called as a cell. Okay, into the different video, or into the next video, we will discuss to the upper, to the next point, or to the next topic given.